guys, what is going coming back at you with another video? And today we are going to be making a vlog up in New Hampshire. Yeah. So what we're going to be doing right now, I think my brother's going to try and dig some stuff up. Let me show you. Our dad made this humongous thing for us to dig in, I guess you could say, and find some stuff. So that's going to be fun. Then let's do it.
We have 3 forts.
Jerry trying to open the shed, but he just can't. Sad. Open the shed, Jared. Open the shed. Open it. Open it. You see that lock right there? Can't open it?
No. It's not locked.
That's stupid because you didn't open this.
Corey, it's not locked. I know you can't.
Alright guys, so we can't really open this lock right here.
Oh!
Wow, he finally opened it.
Sledgehammer, honey.
Want you to go sledgehammer?
Oh my God. So this kid is trying to do a butt bounce on a wet trampoline with a rock and a lock on it. Corey, one of them is gonna hit you.
I know.
The lock. Where'd the rock go?
What? It disappeared! I just saw it right there.
Butt bounce.
Alright guys, right now I have to pick a rock for my brother to break, so let's do this. Probably easy, but go ahead. Break this. What is it? I want to see inside.
Oh, pick up.
You missed this rock because he missed. But,
this is actually smooth when I hit it.
If we'd focus, that would be awesome. That right there.
Oh,
Fail! Rock number 1. Fail! Now I have to go ahead and pick another rock. I'll probably get some ticks, but that's fine. I can just wipe them off, you know? Alright. Jared, I really don't know why I picked out this one. It just looks really weird. It has hair. Hello. Where'd it go? Guys, now I have to go back. Rock, so. Alright, now I have this rock, guys.
Oh! Alcohol got on my face.
Huh?
Alcohol got on my face.
Alcohol?
Yeah.
And this? Yeah, we use those for
look at
the size of this mushroom.
You want me to smash it?
Oh my God. Guys, we're not going to show you how we're going to break it this time, but what we're going to do is we're going to show you the remains. Attempt number 2, attempt number 3, attempt number 4, attempt number 5, attempt number 6. Finally, guys, we did it, and it's actually starting to rain right now, so that's
I love rain. I'm TYT rain.
Alright, guys, so my brother's going to be digging up a rock right there. I'm sorry if I'm, stopping in between my, when I'm talking, see right there, because I have the hiccups right now. We'll get back to you when we have the rock. You guys, what is coming back at you in another video? And today we are going to be making a video. If you didn't see the title, it's going to be called "Can a Sledgehammer Break a Very Tough Rock?" So let's find out. Jared or Mr. Hunter, shout out to him, is going to be breaking this right here. So. Yeah, so let's do this.
So I've hit it twice with my biggest hits ever, and this is the damage. Corey, come here. So I don't know. Maybe.
Guys, it's not really breaking, but maybe we might just be able to break it. But I don't really think we're going to be able to, but hopefully we can. Oh, wow.
I did something.
Made it flat, guys.
No, that's not the side.
Where is it?
Right here.
Oh, wow. Well, that was probably our biggest hit so far. That's just sad. So my brother, he just hit this right here off. So it's really, really flat. See that? It looks like an island.
Just throw that back in the rock pile.
Dude, there's so much other pieces of rocks. Guys, if you saw that spark, if you didn't, go back. It's on the left, and it just like flies out. So if you want to go see it, you can go see it. Or if you want to continue watching, and then when you're done, you want to go back and see it, then let's see. Guys, there was just another spark. If you saw it, it was like so hard to see, but my brother pointed it out because we watched it really closely. And then we found a spark, so that's really neat. Guys, this is how small it was. I think this was our worst hit. That came off. That is just so sad. But I mean, it is a really, really tough rock. Guys, my brother's saying he's gonna give it the hardest hit he has. So let's see if he actually does. Alright, so I mean, it went flying, but it didn't really break, so attempt number 2. Alright guys, so we just tried it again, and the littlest piece just came off. It's so sad.
I can barely see it. It's literally a speck. Like, it's not even thick. It's just, look at this. I can break it with my thumb. Look. Look. See? It's like basically dust.
It's dust.
It's basically dust.
Attempt number 3. Attempt number, I think it's 4. Attempt number 5. After like 5 attempts or like 6 attempts, we finally we were able to break it, but we like couldn't break it at all. We actually did some off camera, so I would say about like
1.
No. We did like so much off camera. It's sad. Like, how much did we do? Like, I think we did like 15 off camera. Well, 15 in total anyways. But yeah, I canceled some of the recordings.
Nothing came off.
Yeah. New contestant!
New contestant.
Guys, I'm making a trailer for a zombie apocalypse video that I'm gonna make, and if you want to go check it out, go ahead. I think it's gonna be in the next video, or it can be after this, when we're done hitting rocks. So we just tried it like once, and nothing really happened. So let's try it again. Guys, one of those pieces of rocks, they went flying and it hit me in the head. Well, the forehead. Where is it? Alright guys, nothing really came off, so now we're just gonna go in time lapse and see what we can find. He just hit that thing off. We hit that off right there.
Oh, cool, look at this.
We're not really doing anything to any of these rocks.
That's so small.
Guys, I'm sorry, but this might be the end of the video because, I mean, one more? Yep. Because, alright, one more, guys. It just went to space. I'm sorry, guys, but this is the end of the video. See ya in the next one. Bye.